Hey guys, I know I didn't start off this video telling you what I was going to be doing in this video, but I had accidentally deleted that or misplaced it. I'm not sure. But in this anyways, I'm just using a better paint. I'm using the more expensive miniature paint. I'm not using the 50-cent paint that you would get at like Walmart or anything like that. And I will let you know that I am not a professional painter. I've only painted maybe half a dozen miniatures in my whole entire life, and I'm not very good at it. And I know there's tutorials out there where you could watch them and learn how to do it. That's kind of what I did, but I have been not painting miniatures for so long, it's like starting all over. So honestly, when you guys probably see these final paintings of the miniatures, they're not going to be the most amazing miniatures you've ever seen in your whole entire life. But hey, it's what I could do with the time I had and what I remember about painting minis. Even though I know they're more of a pain in the butt than anything. But anyways, I'm just going to go play some music through the rest of this and let you watch me paint these minis. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll be right back with you. We're finally done being painted. About damn time. I know, guys. You've all been done being painted. I know, but I have to give you a wash. That's just how it works. What do you mean we need a wash? I need to get a little extra detail in. And I'm sorry, man. I know I'm not a professional painter, but hey, it didn't cost you anything. At least it was free. I mean, it's not like you guys have any gold for somebody to actually paint you professionally. I mean, come on. What do you want from me, okay? I'm going to give you a wash, and then we're going to move on to building your Viking house, okay? So just work with me. Just let you guys know, too, that I'm not very good at washing. Ha-ha, I tricked you guys, huh?
What do you mean you're not good at washing?
Really
Anybody can take a bath.
You guys are going to have to work with me and see what happens. I know, you're being punished already, right? Your gods would be mad at me, right? Well, I don't know, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know if I did the right thing or not. Some of you guys look like you're just dirty and muddy, which, you know, you are Vikings, so I'm not surprised. Hopefully, in time when it dries out, it'll look a bit better. If it don't, then don't sue me, because I don't have any gold for you guys either. Well, just think about it this, guys. Next, I get to put a protective coat on you, and then...
Protective coating? What are you talking about, protective
yes,
coating?
Yes, I know. I never said anything about the protective coating, but hey, it's gonna happen. Hey, look, guys, you're all done being painted and washed, and you got a nice clear coat on you to protect you. I hope you guys enjoyed this, because now we get to build the Viking house.
Yay!
And guess what? I am volunteering you guys to help me carry all those timbers and get this Viking house built. You think I was going to do it by myself? No way. And I ain't going to hire a crew, so guess what? Free labor. Thanks, guys.
No!